Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is 5 best online trading apps. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. Also press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our every new video. Let's get started. To come up with our list of the best online trading apps in Pakistan, we did talk to financial planners, investment experts, and our own wealth building reporter. Online trading apps require using a computer or mobile and the internet to make trades in the stock market. Stocks tokens are listed on the multiple exchanges can be searched for by users. They can then choose a broker with the best pricing and an easy to use trading platform and begin trading right away. After that, you will be able to use your chosen trading platform to place various kinds of stock trading orders to arrange or cancel a transaction. You don't even have to get out of bed. It removes the broker's effect from your trading decisions completely. When it comes to investment and managing your money, today's busy world has made the procedure a comfort thanks to technology improvements. Even with a smartphone, everyone can keep an eye on their money. So online trading a broker is no longer necessary for stock market transaction because online trading platforms have made the process more efficient. Buying and selling stocks online is very similar to doing your due to ease of the use and lack of required trading online. Trading does not necessarily require that you be an expert. Online trading application make it much easier for investors and traders to transact on the stock market with their smartphones. Need to access trading platforms. In addition to giving secure real-time access to trading research, reports, pricing, research of stocks and market, new trading platforms provide all the required support and help for traders. Top online trading apps in 2022. OctaFX online trading apps. OctaFX offer a number of trading accounts depending on your trading style or a degree of experience. OctaFX allows you to trade CFDs on grenadines, forex and indices on MetaTrader and CTrader suite platforms as well their own OctaFX trading app. World Broker FBS Worldwide Broker FBS more than 17 million traders and 14,000 partners are already using Forex Broker FBS. Each and every on FBS meetings are open in the public and they are conducted in a friendly, family-like atmosphere. Binance Trading. Binance is a trading platform for customers that they have strong interest in a wide range of industry. Customers of Binance may save their electronic money in a wallet provided by a company. Expert option. There are no more than 100 different financial options available to trade on the online trading platform of Expert Option. One of the most popular and well-known trading platform in Expert Option, which has more than 100 counting services. Conclusion about the best online trading apps in Pakistan. The act of buying and selling financial items there through the internet is referred to as online trading. The trader makes purchases and sales via the use of an online trading platform. Bonds, stock, further foreign currencies and other financial instruments are all examples of financial products that may be traded online. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. So take care, goodbye.